For today, we're going to take a look at this little $20 plinker target I got from Walmart. The only thing the box says is it's designed for rimfire rifles and air guns. Start out with, we have our Heritage Rough Rider. We got the 22 long rifle cylinder in it, and I have it loaded up with Federal 38 grain copper plated hollow points. I haven't shot a pistol in a while. Well, seeing how this responded to just a 22, I don't think you'd want to use it for much bigger than that. Even a 22 Magnum might be pushing it. But I mean, for 20 bucks, this thing isn't bad to shoot. I imagine it'd probably work a little better on the reset for air rifles.